Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Happy Jerusalem Day. Dear friends, I invite you to celebrate Jerusalem Day with us, a day in which we thank God for His great grace, for fulfilling the words of the prophets in our time. Psalm 122 is one of the most exciting psalms. The ancient words spoken by the pilgrims 2,000 and 3,000 years ago have become relevant again in our time. Think about it. How few are the generations that can say, our feet are standing in your gates, Jerusalem. When we walk through the streets of Jerusalem, we see history revived. We live here and are fulfilling the greatest of dreams of all the prophets. We stand here and fulfill the return of Zion. May God bless you. Next year in Jerusalem.